number. Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, a very good evening.
There is something we are doing, and I will want to let you people in.
We are practicing healthy eating.
Yes, we are practicing healthy eating. Yes, we are practicing healthy
We are
eating.
practicing healthy eating. That finds its way to express healthy living. But what we're all about is healthy eating.
Healthy eating.
And yeah, a public special announcement. A public special announcement to Nigerians, especially the poor masses. And we're an epidemic of diseases. Many diseases. Each new market day, and when a new name for a new disease. But the thing is, and when an epidemic of diseases, especially diseases in low corner
Ndị nwere
ọrịa ndị big man. Ọrịa ndị big man na oyibo na-akpọ ya, ọ dị down to ihe oyibo na-akpọ metabolic disorder. Metabolic disorder stem solely from ihe ọnụ riri, ihe our system processing. These days. If you do not have as a poor Nigerian or even
average Nigerian.
average income earning Nigerian, if you cannot afford 20 million naira, 30 million naira, you nweghị onye ị ga-borrow from. Your best bet is to practice healthy eating. Eat food that comes from nature. Eat food that were designed for human beings to consume. Because you scroll through Facebook for just 30 minutes or 1 hour. Ị ga-ahụ ndị afọ toro, ị ga-ahụ ndị ụkwụ zara, ị ga-ahụ ndị isi bụ, ndị ofu aka ha ka ofu aka.
Ka ọ wa na ị garịa n'ahịa, ị na-aga n'ahịa hụ ndị abụ ihe a na-arị ego ma na street ma everywhere.
You see their friends, their relatives coming out on social media to plead for financial assistance. Any 20 million, any 30 million naira for organ transplant or for kidney related issue and dialysis. My sister, I can work and for dialysis 2 times a week and I spend 300k every week. And there, all these new ailments, new diseases can be avoided. They are all avoidable. Metabolic disorder stem from here.
Not really new per se, but the outbreak now the much.
The outbreak, yes. I won't new that like that. But the outbreak, I'm just saying an epidemic at this current rate, or an epidemic, because you cannot scroll. In fact, people like Okulo on Facebook has become popular. He has more than 1 million followers. He has become popular through helping people raise funds. Under the afflicted with all these diseases. His whole brand is about helping them raise money, raise finances, e.g. Solve all their problems, e.g. Go through operations or however. Flora's brand were all about helping them to raise their funds to take care of their medical issues. Truly, he's doing a good job. But here are sustainable. Here was a sustainable way of living or keeping off diseases. The most sustainable way is through change of diet,
Eating healthy.
eating healthy. That's the only way to keep off diabetes or high blood pressure or uh, cancer. Most of the cancer is bedeviling us now. Most of the cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, all kinds of cancer. All these things stem from the things we put into our mouth. So, live a life of vibes and inshallah. And when you get sick, you start running helter skelter. That is not good. It is not sustainable. You may help raise funds. They may be lucky. Even raising funds, having the funds, I won't guarantee that the person is going to live. When you can raise their funds before you could travel or even get a donor.
Yeah, Caputo.
But the most sustainable way of being healthy and not being a victim to these diseases, living, eating healthy, my sister, eating good food, staying away from bad food. And the thing is, most of the most of the food we consider rich man food. Well, actually, ihe bugan. That's the thing. We've been programmed to associate this bad food to status symbol. You cannot afford ice cream. You cannot afford pizza. You cannot afford shawarma. You're not doing well. You cannot afford expensive drinks.
Or you're not eating them. Then you're not
doing well. Actually, those things are the issues. They are the problems.
Then you see people bragging the brands of
And another dangerous thing is, even back in the day, it used to be here and the big man.
Then ndị ka ga nka because ahụ ha anabatala this rubbish for a very long time before ya break it down finally mgbe ha kawara nka. But now ndị dịcha young na-arịa, even ụmụaka eko n'aka na-arịa.
And some of this food that we could associated this one with status symbol. Another thing, some of this food that on the big man or only the big people the rich could afford back then. Poor man's version.
Smaller one.
Fashion for the poor masses. Talk about expensive drinks. And when a sachet drink in the 100 naira.
For the expensive
all sizes,
one.
all types, all brands. Talk about pizza. And when
buy one get one.
And when cheaper ones. Talk about the lifestyle of the rich. They susceptible to these diseases. I don't put a for the poor people too.
So
this is both economic issue or capitalist issue, but the thing is, accessible
to everybody. Everybody, because before milk and Bonvita, Milo and all that would tin, and tin they're expensive. Those big tins. Yes, but ugbana enwene ya na sachet. So even sachet no ka ihe na-adị ọnụ ka ihe mama enwecha mgbe ọrụ 100 naira 150 200. So otu ọbụla ọwa ị ga-azụtarịrị eti n'ọnụ. These are things we should watch out for.
And these are things you should watch out for more from our channel. This is where we come in.
Yeah, this channel.
We'll be sharing with you the kind of things we eat. I will be sharing with you some of our befores and after pictures, befores and after videos, some of the visual effects of eating
healthy,
eating certain kind of food, and what we experience after eating certain other kind of foods.
Yeah.
Some of the food that are widely accepted as
Good food.
good food. I can assume the adverse effects and when are high. So our channel is this a lifestyle channel. This is about our life, our lives. This is family on transit.
Yeah, documenting every life, every experience
Yes.
on the move.
We've said one time before on our channel that we're a small family and we move everywhere with everything we have. We move with love, with our education system, with our medical system. This is us now sharing with you
How we live our
how we
life.
live our health and medical system too. Because seriously, we hardly get sick.
Hardly.
We hardly get sick, and that is the best form of defense is attack. Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. But in case you are looking for cure, some of the things we'll be sharing with you guys. Unugana agotashi cure from some of our videos because I see people talk about PCOS, PCOS. It's like a fibroid in a way. I've seen women generally talk about it, or a hormonal imbalance issue that
You have to manage it.
afflict mostly.
That you have to manage it.
That they say the best way to treat it is to manage it, just
But
like
that's not
diabetes.
true.
Some of these things can be reversed. Some of these things can be reversed.
Most of these things, not just some.
In fact, all of them
can be reversed.
All of them.
It's possible.
The secret is returning your body
back to factory
its
settings.
default settings. That is the secret. Returning your body to its default settings. Everything will be taken care of. Everything. All the bad cells, all the cells cause
Issues.
More turbulence in our system. How shrink it off. But here we are. This is going forward. This is what we're all about. And then we one extra because we're full of surprises.
Yeah.
Sometimes we even surprise ourselves. And we one extra. Kpachapụtara isi ya otu ụgụ ndị a si n'ala na-arịpụta nkwa nwa kpachapụtara isi. We'll share with you guys.
God. Madam, a bullet problem. Madam, do you want to say hi to our people? Come. Let me through. So these things, this thing reminded me of something. Since Ojugo has not fallen sick. Ojugo have not had kata. Ojugo is a year plus now. Unwebe kata, unwebe cough. She has not fallen sick for any reason at all. And except with the
just fever, mild
yes, just mild fever for eze putagan. Or there be anything I guess here ga hospital. And we are not feeding her everything and feed much
these days.
So here you no breast milk and water. Then we are going to breast milk. You already give normal food, natural food. I here and she's so smart. So okay. Now new nuclear in her don't know what I have about eating healthy. Alright guys, call the one. Mama say bye bye. Say bye bye.